everybody, what up, what it do? Welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video I will be doing a full-on eyebrow routine, starting from scratch, my eyebrows looking a hot mess to my eyebrows looking perfection. This video is sponsored by Kosas. Big shout out to them. I will be telling you about some of their eyebrow products in this video. So the first step when you groom your eyebrows is to comb all your brows up. Once you've done that, you grab a tweezer and you go underneath and pluck every single hair that's just like randomly placed. Keep in mind, I do go to a salon every 2 months to get my eyebrows waxed. If you're out here in LA, I will have her Instagram linked in my description box. She's literally the only person that I have shaped my eyebrows because she's so good at them. Next, I grabbed my razor. I got this razor off of Amazon. I will also have it linked in my description box. And I comb all my brow hairs downwards, as you can see. Then I grab my razor and gently pull it towards my eyebrows, still maintaining that shape. And again, I brush my eyebrows up to make sure that I'm not missing any spots. Brushing is very important throughout this entire routine. For my next step, I'm going to bleach my eyebrows, and this is something that I've been doing for like a year and a half now. And I use the Sally Hansen bleach cream, which comes with 2 parts. There's an activator and also the bleach. I put it in this cup and I just mix it up together to create one solution. The longer you leave it on, the lighter your eyebrows will become. But for me, I just wanted a couple shades lighter, so I'm only doing 5 minutes. From there, I get a wet piece of tissue and I wipe off the solution off of my eyebrows. It's this beautiful auburn color that I feel like matches my hair, and it's just perfect. I love this. Now that I'm satisfied with the way my eyebrows looking, let's jump into my actual eyebrow routine. I use products from Kosas. I absolutely love their products because they have skincare ingredients inside of them. I feel like great makeup begins with skincare, so this concept is really cool. So I'm starting off by using the Brow Pop in shade Warm Medium, and I go ahead and draw strokes in my eyebrows, after which I use the spoolie to kind of blend my eyebrows and make it look as natural as possible. Just to mention a couple of the ingredients that's inside Brow Pop, there's castor oil and also Pro Vitamin B5, which helps with the overall growth of your eyebrow to its fullest potential and just keeping the hairs very strong. Now for the next step, I love using a concealer. I use the Kosas concealer, which also have skincare ingredients like caffeine and hyaluronic acid. The main thing you want to do here is grab a flat angle brush and you're going to apply the concealer towards the perimeter of your eyebrows. Another great tip that I like to do is use the warmth of my fingers to go in and blend the concealer so that it's just seamless and it don't really look like you have concealer. You just have perfect eyebrows. My last and final step when it comes to my eyebrows is applying a brow gel, and right now we're using Kosas Eyebrow Gel in clear. This also comes in tinted versions that has 10 different shades for you to choose from. So the microfibers on the brush are actually plant-based, and it helps to boost the volume and fullness of your brows, as you can see. Look how perfect and amazing and beautiful my eyebrows look. Make sure you guys check out Kosas.com and use my code JOYJA for 15% off your order. This is it. This is what I do and how I maintain such full and beautiful eyebrows. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop me a comment. Check out my other videos on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen them yet. And I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye!